Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Point number 5, there is the surface area. And we can say that the wider the surface area, the faster the rate of diffusion. The faster the rate of diffusion. So if the surface area is wide, then the particles are able to diffuse faster. So today we have learnt about the factors that affect the rate of diffusion. We have seen the diffusion gradient or the concentration gradient, which we have said is the concentration difference between two regions. And the steeper the difference or the wider the difference, the faster the rate of diffusion. Then we have also seen the thickness of membranes. Some membranes are very thick, and therefore the diffusion of the particles is slow because the particles are covering a long distance. Number 3, the size of the particles. There are those particles that are of large size, others are of small size. The ones that are of large size, they will tend to take longer to diffuse because of their high density and their large size. Temperature, we have said that increase in temperature, for example, when you heat something, you increase the kinetic energy of the particles. So you make those particles to move faster, to diffuse faster than if the temperature is low. Then finally, we have seen the surface area, and we have said that the wider the surface area, the faster will be the rate of diffusion. So we are going to stop there for today.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.